Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at IG. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. IG is a fully regulated London-based broker that was founded in 1974. When trading with IG, you can diversify your portfolio with over 17,000 cryptocurrencies, Forex pairs, indices, shares, and commodities. And as one of the oldest Forex brokers in the industry, you can rest assured that your funds are always protected because all company activities are supervised by top-tier regulatory agencies, such as the FCA, the ASIC, and several others. IG currently has more than 300,000 clients worldwide, and they provide premium services for professional, corporate, institutional, and retail traders. We highly recommend opening an account with IG if you are new to trading, because they offer plenty of educational resources, and you can practice trading on a risk-free demo account. And there are also a variety of advanced trading tools and features for more experienced traders. IG offers a user-friendly, simplistic website that is easy to navigate. You can find all the important information you would need to know about the company, trading conditions, instruments offered, and platforms supported by simply using the menu bar. As you scroll down the homepage, you will notice that they display information about the trading platforms you can use, special features and perks of trading with IG, and more. At the very bottom of the homepage, you will find a disclaimer and information about their regulations. To find out more about the instruments you can trade as an IG client, either click on the CFD Trading tab to learn more about the CFDs offered, or click on the Markets tab for an overview of all available instruments. IG currently offers a total of 80 currency pairs with tight spreads starting as low as 0.4 pips. If you ever require any assistance with your account, using platforms or anything else, you can find the answers to some of the most commonly asked questions by clicking on the Help button at the very top of the homepage. Or you can click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the homepage to view their contact details. IG is compatible with MetaTrader 4 and Pro Real Time, and you can also download the IG L2 Dealer DMA or Direct Market Access platform if you are interested in trying something new. MetaTrader 4 is one of the most popular trading platforms on the market because of its advanced analysis tools, hundreds of technical indicators, customizable charts, and much more. This platform was launched in 2005, and it can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader 4 website or through the IG website. If you would like to automate your trading and analysis, you can use the Pro Real-Time Trading platform. This platform comes with more than 100 built-in indicators to analyze price, volatility, and more. And the Pro Real-Time interface is fully integratable with the IG platform. With Pro Real-Time, you can build your own algorithms to execute 24 hours a day, and you can view an unlimited number of timeframes on a variety of charts. You will also be able to place orders according to trend lines and import your trading strategies from outside the Pro Real-Time platform. Alternatively, you can trade on the IG mobile and web trading platforms. The IG platforms offer an all-in-one experience with plenty of room for customization, professional charting tools with multiple timeframe functionality, updated news and analysis to help you make more informed decisions, and much more. This platform guarantees an average execution speed of 0.014 seconds, and over 86 million trades have been processed successfully using this platform. IG also offers an in-house TV channel, plenty of automatic alerts for price movements, a variety of technical indicators, as well as an economic calendar. You will have a competitive advantage with IG's advanced trading signals system, and your workspace can be customized exactly the way you want it to be. When trading with IG, the account types you can use depend on your region and the type of trader you are. They offer several different account types, including trading accounts, professional accounts, options trading accounts, Turbo 24 trading accounts, limited risk accounts, share dealing accounts, as well as NADEX exchange accounts. IG also offers demo accounts for beginners and Islamic accounts for traders of the Muslim faith. The initial minimum deposit required to activate a live trading account is $250, and accounts can be funded using several base currencies, such as the US dollar, Great British Pound, Australian dollar, or the euro. As an IG client, you can expect to trade with tight variable spreads, expert charting tools, free data, research and analysis tools, and free educational videos and resources. You will also have access to a reliable customer support team and popular trading platforms. IG is an excellent option for CFD trading, and there are thousands of tradable CFDs and more than 12,000 shares to choose from. The IG accounts offered will depend on your region, and all accounts come with negative balance protection, and the IG CFD trading account can be used worldwide. We recommend trading with IG if you are from Europe or Australia, because you will have more account options to choose from, and the professional accounts are available in these countries only. But this broker offers competitive trading conditions for all traders around the world. For citizens of the United Kingdom, IG accounts offer the IG trading account and the IG professional account. Negative balance protection is provided, and you get access to spread betting, CFDs, and share dealing. The range of markets for citizens in the UK include access to more than 17,000 markets. For citizens of Europe, excluding the United Kingdom and Switzerland, the IG accounts offered include the IG trading account, the IG professional account, the IG options trading account, and the Turbo 24 trading account, with negative balance protection, access to CFDs, barriers, vanilla options, and turbo warrants, along with access to the full range of markets, which include more than 17,000 tradable financial instruments. For clients of Australia, IG offers the IG trading account, the limited risk account, and share dealing account, with negative balance protection offered on the IG trading account, as well as access to CFDs, including options and digital 100s, as well as share dealing. The range of markets includes access to more than 17,000 tradable financial instruments. For citizens of Switzerland, South Africa, Singapore, and New Zealand, IG offers the IG trading account and limited risk account, with negative balance protection offered on the IG trading account. For citizens of Dubai, IG offers the IG trading account, the limited risk account, and swap-free account, with negative balance protection offered on the IG trading account, access to CFDs including options and digital 100s, and the range of markets that citizens of Dubai will have access to is more than 10,000 markets or financial instruments. For citizens of Japan, IG offers the IG trading account and limited risk account. For citizens of the USA, IG offers the IG trading account and the NADEX exchange account. The IG account provides negative balance protection, access to trade Forex, and a range of markets including more than 80 Forex pairs. For the NADEX exchange account, there is no balance protection offered as products are limited risk. This account provides access to exchange-traded binaries, and the range of markets include access to more than 10,000 contracts. You can open an account with IG in a few simple steps, and it will only take a couple of minutes. Firstly, launch the IG homepage, and then click on the Create Live Account button. Enter your full name, email address and contact information, and select your country of residence. Choose a strong password for your account, and enter your phone number. Next, you will want to complete the online application, which include 5 steps in total. And after you have completed those steps, you can verify your account and email address, log into your account, fund your account once it is approved, and simply start trading. After your account has been set up and approved, you will be redirected to the IG client zone. You can then choose and install your preferred platform, or launch the IG proprietary platform straight from this dashboard. We decided to use the IG proprietary trading platform. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the IG trading platform. In the center of the dashboard, you have your list of popular markets. You can easily add or switch popular markets from your watch list at the top left of the dashboard, and you can open your graph by simply double-clicking on the trading instrument. If you would like to learn more about the IG proprietary trading platform, you can head over to IG's Help Center, which provides a variety of video tutorials to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, if you are considering trading for the very first time, or you're looking for a greater variety of educational resources and research material, you will be happy to know that IG offers plenty of guides and tutorials on risk management, strategy planning, using trading analysis tools, and more. IG has developed an application specifically for their trading academy that is suitable for all levels of trading experience. You can also sign up with IG to get market updates and industry insights sent directly to your inbox. And you will get in-depth insights from IG's special reports and podcasts with in-house experts and special guests. IG also offers reliable news and analysis, along with updates on financial events and economic calendars. Over its years in operation, IG have received a variety of prestigious industry awards in South Africa, including South Africa's Best CFD Provider in 2020 by Intellidex Top Stockbroker Awards, South Africa's Best Online Broker in 2015 and 2017 by Intellidex Investors Monthly Top Stockbrokers Awards, and SA's Top CFD Broker by Intellidex Top Securities Broker Awards of 2021. Overall, there are many reasons to open an account with IG, but what stands out to us the most is the fact that they offer more than 17,000 products with competitive trading conditions, and they provide premium quality educational material. You have the option of trading on MetaTrader 4 or automating your trades with Pro Real Time, but IG also offers a proprietary platform that is everything you could possibly need to trade with confidence, and we highly recommend trying their application. And that is our overview of IG. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.